can I do for you today?
Oh, you're wanting to find the model number on your AC unit?
Alright, well, we can help them out with that. Hey
All right.
guys, my name's Logan.
And I'm Richard. We're RVPartsCountry.com.
So, a few ways to see what model you need for your replacement air conditioner. So, what we've went ahead and already done, just took down the screws and the control knobs to your air box. And if you look right up in here, see right past it, right there is this little product label. And it's got all the information that you will need as far as what to get for a replacement.
Yep. So if you're wanting to replace your shroud or your air conditioner, you will need your model number. That way we can be sure to get you the right fit for it.
Because there's different fits, like he was saying, different kind of air conditioners. So yeah, that model number is very important on getting what you need.
Yep. Now we're going to take you and we're going to show you another way to get the model number in case this way is a little bit difficult or
just whatever's more convenient for you,
Yeah.
from going here or the second option. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Back again,
we're here for round two.
round two. All right, so yep, we'll follow up with a second way on how to find your model number on your air conditioner. That way you can see what kind of air conditioner you need to buy to replace it with, or if maybe if you need a new shroud, it cracked or blew off or whatever. So yeah, if you come up here, we'll show you where this will be located at.
Already took the screws out of this one.
Very conveniently, we'll set this over here. Now, somewhere on your AC, you're going to find a label if it's on compressor, fan, motor, or whatever, but right here, it's like it's on this junction box. So, yep, all that's going to be all the information you're going to need, just the model number, product number, whatever. You guys can get in contact with us, and we'll be sure to help you guys out replacing what you need to replace.
Yep. So remember, either you can climb up on your roof, look through the shroud or take it off, or just go inside, take your air box off and look up in the ceiling that way. Either way, you're going to find a model number and we'll get you what you need.
Absolutely. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll also link somewhere up here up top or below, however it's going to be, a link to our air conditioners. So it's just convenient for you to click on that, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions. And I believe that's it. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you all. Have a good day.